Chuleta valuna. Ingredientes de la chuleta valuna: pork loin, lomo de cerdos, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 cucharada de comino, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 cucharada de polvo de ajo, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 cucharada de cebolla en polvo, salt, sal, pepper, pimienta, 2 eggs, 2 huevos, 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 vaso de agua, 1 cup of flour, 1 vaso de harina, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 vaso de migas de pan, potatoes, papas, vegetable oil, aceite vegetal.
Pon los lomos de cerdos en un tazón. Now I'm going to wash the pork loins under warm water.
Squeeze the juice from a lime cut in half onto the pork loins.
Exprimen una lima sobre los lomos de cerdos. Agarran una cucharada de comino molido.
Extiéndelo sobre los lomos de cerdos.
Una cucharada de polvo de ajo.
También extiéndelo sobre los lomos de cerdos. Hay la cucharada de cebolla en polvo. Pon sal sobre el carne. Entonces pon pimienta. Now you're just gonna wanna flip over the chuletas or pork loins or whatever and season the other side. Pon la carne en un tazón. Ooh, use a finely cut piece of plastic wrap and cover the meat that's in the bowl. Put the covered meat in the fridge to marinate for about 30 minutes. Un vaso de harina. This is 1 cup of flour. Now you're gonna take 2 eggs and crack them into a bowl. One-fourth vaso de agua. Add the water to the eggs. Ooh, a really fancy fork.
You need to beat these 2 eggs together with a fork.
Add some salt and pepper to the eggs. Ahora medís un vaso de migas de pan. Now you measure 1 cup of breadcrumbs. Now rearrange the bowls containing egg, flour, and breadcrumbs into the proper order to dip the pork into. Yeah, so now if you couldn't tell, you can just dip the pork into the bowls. Here's basically the same process, just a different location and angle. Yay.
Now I'm gonna go fry the pork loin.
Now transfer the chuletas into a bowl with a paper towel so the paper towel can absorb all the excess oil. Moving on to the papas fritas or french fries, grab 2 potatoes and wash them. Dry them. Now peel the potatoes. I'm using a knife, but you shouldn't do that. I just didn't have a peeler, so yeah. Now cut the potatoes into rectangles, but if you're an overachiever, you can try other shapes. I recommend that you re-wash the potatoes after you cut them, but you don't have to, but you should. Now all you have to do is just add oil to a pan, turn on the fire, and then fry some potatoes. Dry the french fries from any additional oil and season them with some salt. Chuletas velunas are commonly served with salads, so we're making a salad. Now you don't have to be this fancy, we were just going for an aesthetic, but like honestly just like cut some tomatoes, some lettuce, and some onion, and yeah. Now just finish plating your food. Now for the salpicón. Los ingredientes son Colombian soda, which is Colombian gaseoso, fruits, which are frutas, for example, apples, which are manzanas, bananas, plátanos, pineapple, peña, cherries, cerezas, melones, and you need ice cream, which is helado. Now I'm just cutting some fruits to put into the salpicón. Now I'm just pouring some Colombian soda into a cup. Now just add your fruit into the Colombian soda. If you're wondering why the fruit in the bowl looks so different than the ones that were on the cutting board, it was because we had to do this twice, so yeah. Now just scoop some ice cream onto the top of the drink. I suggest that you let it thaw out a little bit because it was hard, so yeah. Now we're just using some maraschino cherries and some whipped cream to top it off.